So question 21 is like a probability question. So we're given this peculiar like pair of dice. The probabilities of rolling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each dice or on each die are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. Want to know what is the probability of rolling a total of 7 on the 2 dice. So the idea is like we have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the 2 dice. So if we say the probability of rolling a 1 is P, then since the ratio is 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6, then the probability of rolling a 2 is 2P. The probability of rolling a 3 is 3P. 4 is 4P, 5 is 5P, 6 is 6P. So these are the probabilities, right? Clearly, these are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6. And remember that the sum of the probabilities of everything has to be equal to 1, right? Because, you know, the sum of all the probabilities is 1. So we do P plus 2P plus 3P plus 4P plus 5P plus 6P. We get 21P, and that's equal 1. So from there, we get that P is equal to 1 over 21. So we want to get a sum of 7 from the 2 dice. So in order to get a sum of 7, we have a few cases. You can either have 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, or 6 plus 1. So 1 plus 6, right? So for 1, you have 1 over 21. So there's a 1 over 21 chance that you roll a 1 on the peculiar dice, right? And you have a 6 over 21 chance of rolling a 6 on this peculiar dice. From 2 plus 5, you have a 2 over 21 chance of rolling a 2 and a 5 over 21 chance of rolling a 5. For 3 plus 4, you have a 3 over 21 chance of rolling a 3, a 4 over 21 chance of rolling a 4. For 4 plus 3, you get 4 over 21 chance of rolling a 4, 3 over 21 chance of rolling a 3. For 5 plus 2, you do 5 over 21 times 2 over 21. And finally, for 6 plus 1, you would just do 6 over 21 chance of rolling a 6, 1 over 21 chance of rolling a 1. You could have easily like just not done that. You could have just done like, you know, this, and then you just double it by symmetry, right? It's just clearly these cases are all symmetrical. So to find the total probability, we just add up all of these cases. So we have the bottom of all the fractions is 21 squared. And the top, you have like here you have 1 times 6. So the numerator is 6. And then here you have 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 2 is 10. And then 6 times 1 is 6. So if we were to add these up, we would get like 56 if you were to do the math. So if you add them up, you get 56. So we kind of like simplify this. Notice that we can cancel out a factor of 7 on the numerator and denominator. We get 8 over like 63 if we simplify it. And that would give you choice C as the correct answer.